This is going to be a little maiden test flight of this experimental rig here. This is built with a JJ1000 board on it and just the stock motors with extensions to get them out there. If you can see, the outside motors are actually pitched up, hopefully to pull up the front end if I pull back on this thing, pull back on the elevator. So anyway, completely experimental. Let's see what happens here. Are you kidding me? It freaking flies. You gotta be freaking kidding me. You can see the battery already fell out. Unbelievable though. I need to work on the center of gravity because it wants to just pull back. Wow. Unreal. You can see the battery dangling from the back there. Let's try and land it and get that fixed. Unreal. I really didn't expect that to fly at all. You can see the battery was just dangling. I need to figure out a way to attach this up front. See if we can use the connector to wedge it. That might work. There we go. Are you freaking kidding me? That's unreal. Look at that. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, I can't turn it any harder. Left, right, that's cool. I got control over it. See, I can wag the tail. Holy cow. I did not expect this to fly. How cool is that? How freaking cool is that? This board is actually a bad board too. It pulls off to the side when it was built as a quadcopter. It has like a gyro or accelerometer issue. It was not just recalibrating that fixed it, it just kept pulling harder and harder. This is unreal. I cannot believe this thing flies. Let's see if we can get it back over here. You gotta be kidding me. Look at that. This is made with, I think it's 5mm EPP foam that I had sitting around. JJ1000 board, 7mm motors and hubs and props. And that is a 500 milliamp one cell, obviously. Just a cheap little blue battery. That is unreal. Signing out.